Hey, what is up guys? This is Zach. So I know it's been a few years since I've posted anything to my channel, but a lot has happened in my life in the last few years between moving twice and going to college and being sent home from college. So I was really kind of inspired by a video by Mr. Tybox123, been a long time follower. And he found some time in his schedule to go through what his setup looks like. I thought I'd do the same and just give you guys a walkthrough of what I'm doing for learning from home and how it's all been working for me. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to try and keep this pretty short and sweet for you guys, but this is the setup I've been using for the last month or so. This is a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor. It's actually the business version, and it has the same one USB-C port that charges the MacBook Pro, as well as transmits USB and video, which is super awesome. I love coming in, putting my laptop down, plugging it in, getting everything I need, and it's 3440 by 1440. And as for the computer, that is a MacBook Pro 2018, late 2018. It's pretty loaded up, and it's treated me really well lately. And a little precursor to this monitor, hopefully what's coming next, I got this monitor over here. This is the 49-inch ultra-wide 5K panel. It is absolutely massive. I bought it for 50 bucks. Totally broken panel, and I got a new panel coming in from China. Hopefully that all works out perfectly, and I'll have a pretty awesome monitor for a great, really cheap price. I'll be giving this one off to my dad. And speaking of my dad, I actually share this office space with him. So his desk is right over here, and it's pretty interesting that we sit right next to each other, but this is the 32-inch Asus monitor, and we can't really see each other when we work just because of the pure sheer size of this monitor. So it keeps us somewhat isolated even though we're sitting right next to each other. Now, as for the Alexa device I have right there, that is the Echo Show 5, and I upgraded from the Echo Dot to that just because I like having a little clock on my desk with some bigger numbers. These are the Audio Engine A2 Plus speakers. I bought these probably 5 or so years ago, and they sound great. They're really solid, and I've never found any reason to replace them. As for lighting here, there's the Nanoleaf panels. I got a 9-pack for about 100 bucks, which is a great deal, and I've been loving these, but just keeping them on a purple, blue, and white sort of rolling through pattern, something like that. This is one of the old Philips Hue Blooms that I bought years ago that's still running great. And then behind the actual monitor, I just have a semi-generic Wi-Fi LED strip, and I have them all connected up through the actual Alexa, and that seems to trigger them on and off for me, which has been really great. The only other piece of lighting that we have here is this neon sign, which I got from my father, and it just looks really cool here. We love NASA and space and things like that, so it fits right in. As for anything else on the desk, the legs are from IKEA. This is the trestle, and this is the, I believe, Alex drawer unit. And then the actual tabletop is the infamous Carlby desk, which has been working great for me. Haven't seen any sag yet, but who knows what'll happen when I put on that 49-inch monitor. And under the desk is overall pretty clean. Got this wire right over here, which is just a lightning cord to charge up the Magic trackpad and Magic keyboard, both the second generations. Those have been treating me really well. Bluetooth connects right up. And then I do take a ton of video calls from here because I am a college student doing classes online right now because of coronavirus. This is the Logitech C920 with the little privacy cover, which I do really like. And it just clips right down and up. Super easy to use, and it gets me great results. As for stuff inside of the drawers, I always keep my Bose NC700s right here. If my dad's on a call, I'll just put these on. It's super easy. And then I love all the drawer space, so I keep papers and tests in there. And I have some extra LED strips and a power strip. And then just haven't really filled those out yet, but it's lots of space to improve. And then over here, I tend to keep my notebook, the key to the building, some sunglasses, my car key, and I always have a water bottle here so that I'm not constantly getting up and leaving to go get a drink of water. So yeah, it's been working out great. As for the actual chair, this is an architectural building where they have a bunch of desks, so I'm borrowing a seat from them. I don't know the name and model of this one, but I found that it's been supporting my back really well, and I'm enjoying it. It's a little torn up, but have no issues with it. And yeah, I guess the next phase of this desk setup will be getting that 49-inch monitor on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions about the setup, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys hopefully pretty soon. See ya, bye.